Okay, this is the demo dashboard of my home assistant installation. This is the main page. On top you can see the weather info and also the current temperature. And right next to it is the info on turn on lights, which is 0 at the moment. And then greetings for the current user. And then there's 5 icons that we use to group similar entities. And then below it there's the current state of the current user, which is at home at the moment. And then below there's the rooms that are available at the house, with each with information on temperatures and humidity. If you click on the house icon, you can see the energy usage for the whole house. This is for today's power consumption, October 16th. And you can also see the weekly data and monthly data and yearly data if you have more than 1 month recording. The power monitoring comprise of 5 circuit breaker that each individually monitored, so we can know the current, the voltage, the power factor, and also the frequency of each circuit breaker. We use a DIY device using ESP Home framework, so that we can monitor the power consumption. And then if you click on the lights icon, you can see the lights that are available in the house. They are grouping based on rooms. At the very top there's light on counts, and then if you click one of the lights, the number will change. Click another light, the number will add up. And then if you turn off, the number also will change accordingly. Then here on the switch icon, we can see a group of switches or plugs, otherwise known as smart plugs, that can monitor the power usage for each of the power plugs. And we can individually control the on and off of each switches or plugs right here. The cam icon will display the available cameras. There is one at the front porch. This is the live view of the camera. At the moment you can see the view at the front of the house. Other than this, you can also see the recording of events that are triggered and automatically record by the system based on the keyword that are set up. So there's no need to watch hours of footage for certain events that happen. You can all directly see here at the recording of the events. The net icon will display the statistic of the server and also the internet. You can see here this storage, memory, CPU temperature, and also the ping, download and upload of the internet. We go to Dad's bedroom, and here we can see the temperature and humidity. And if we click on the temperature, we can see the 24-hour history of the temperature. And then there are devices such as center light and smart plug that we can control here also. At the bottom there's the air conditioning that we can turn on directly from the application. Set to cool, and then it's cooling to target, and we can adjust the temperature. And then if we go back to the front, we can also turn off the air conditioning from the power icon button. Here on the boys' bedroom, we can see the temperature and humidity on top, and then there's the air conditioning. For the air conditioning, we use Tasmota device that is custom. We flash the device ourselves, and the Tasmota firmware supports several brands of air conditioning, so it's very convenient to use. And here in the living room, you can see the temperature and also the humidity. And then there's several lights and one smart plug at the bottom with 0 watt power consumption. Next, if we go to the kitchen, we can see the temperature and humidity. And then there is smart plug and a water dispenser. The water dispenser equipped with a ESP home device that can turn on and off the water dispenser and also monitor the water temperature. And if we turn on the water dispenser, we can see the smart plug show the usage, the power usage. And if we turn off the water dispenser, the power usage will slowly decrease until 0. And the last, we go to workshop. Here we can see temperature and humidity and also several lights and an RGB light. RGB light, you can control the color, the brightness from within the app. This is a regular RGB light that are widely available at the marketplace. So that's the display of our demo dashboard. I hope you can enjoy. Thank you.